Hello guys, what's up? So today is one of the most important topics for foreign students who want to pursue their research in India. IIT Hyderabad has launched their scheme that is first at the red IITH. We'll see briefly about this scheme, how you can apply, and what are the several fellowships is being given that will be given throughout their research study. So fellowship that is first at IITH, it means fellowship for international research scholars in technology at IIT Hyderabad. And there are the several branches in which you can apply. And specifically, we have made this video for metallurgy, that is material science and metallurgical engineering. And the minimum eligibility criteria is 8.5 CGPA, and the desirable candidate if it is having some research or patent or publication, he will be given weightage. And final shortlisted students will be interviewed, and accordingly this selection will be done. The total financial support, we will see that duration of the fellowship is for 4 years, and fellowship amount is 60,000 per month, and contingency support up to 1 lakh per year. And application procedure for detail and downloading the application, you can visit their website at iithyderabad.ac.in. Given also will be given in the description, and you can forward the complete. What you have to do, you have to send the soft copy to the email ID. It is first dot iar at iits.ac.in, and you have to request at least one referee to send your reference letter on the same email ID. There is no application fees, and last date for applying by email is April 15. And so many students were asking that about something that how it is Hyderabad means we should go or not. So IIT Hyderabad is among the 10 top institute in India, having one of good research, that is decent research laboratories and infrastructure is there. Almost you can find all the equipment over there, and its rank is 8 among in the Quest ranking, and it has a collaboration with several industries. So you can find that their work throughout the nation building also uh, having a great collaboration or contribution to the nation. And more than currently 1,000 PhD students are working over there, and more than 500 sponsored projects are there. And several exchange program is already going on, but this is not an exchange program. Don't be confused with that. It is purely uh, a complete PhD program where you can avail a good fellowship by applying from any nation. For further detail, you can also find uh, through the link given in the description. And last date of sending the application is 15th of April. And for more information, you can visit their link. And for more other detail, you can visit our website. You can message us on LinkedIn or Facebook, or you can message us on Instagram also. We will reply your query, and you can also drop your message on studymeta.com. Thank you for listening.